Fit the cover onto the top of the seat shell, around the head restraint. Pull the harness adjuster strap through the cover and fit the cover around the harness adjuster button. Pull the elastic bands around the carrier-only belt guides. Tuck into the channel around the infant car seat. Replace the head restraint cover. Attach the hook and loop fasteners on the head restraint cover around the harness straps. Push the retainer through the slot in the cover and shell for the appropriate buckle position. Lastly, replace the canopy by sliding the canopy into the slot and hook the elastic to the child seat shell. Repeat on the other side. Insert the elastic at the back of the canopy into the channel on the seat shell.